Maybe. Treat. Hi, you guys.
That hurt. You ready?
They seem calm.
They do, which is great. Hopefully they stay that way. The last 2 times I went in here, they were not happy. I should have put my hair back.
Oh, they're still being.
So what I was saying, I didn't know this, and I learned this when I went inside, but there was a bunch of bees like on the outside of the box here. That meant that another hive was trying to rob them. So when I opened up the hive, my bees went crazy and they were like in attack mode, protecting themselves from the bees that were on the outside of the box. So I did a big no-no. I didn't know that. Oh, you want to do some smoke?
No. I have my hand. Not when I have a clock like this.
I got smoke in my eyes. They're so calm right now. Oh, I need my hive tool.
They're really calm.
I know. I hope they stay this way. Huh?
On me?
No, you didn't know.
Oh, a picture on the hive.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll go full on attack mode. Whoa, that's making me crack.
There's definitely honey.
That was that's wax.
I know, but I'm just saying there's probably honey.
So last time I did this, they all just came out. I opened it and they like all attacked me. Like it was like out of a horror movie. It was crazy.
Like you're like,
Honey, wait. Yeah. Wait till you see this. This is exciting. Been busy.
busy.
Get it?
Nice one.
Thank you. Busy bees.
Woo.
Alright, this is safe to hold, Knox, even with the glove.
Hold.
Yeah. Can you get it? You got it? Bring it over to Scarlett. Don't drop it. Can you hold it a little lower so she can see your face? Look at you.
Can you bring it close? Hello, bees. Oh, honey.
Okay, Mom.
I got it.
That's so cool.
Look it. So this is all the honey stores. Once that's all capped, this is what we're going to be collecting in the spring.
Oh, there's so much honey.
Look at all of it!
That's
Yay!
so
And then we've got another one. So you guys probably don't remember this, but when you do hive check, you want to take out one frame. Well, on the edge, just so that you can move the other frames around a little bit easier. Crazy.
Because you're taking
A little jolt, and it kind of like it concerned them. Like, wait a minute, we don't like doing that. So we're just gonna calm them.
How does smoke calm them down?
It's just worrying them.
Oh,
Like if you breathe in a lot of smoke, it kind of makes you dizzy, and you can eventually pass out if you breathe in too much smoke. So just think they are so tiny, so a little bit of smoke is going to make them kind of like, calm.
pass out.
Not pass out, but just
Calm.
Loopy.
Yeah, this is going to be a jolt. Like this, this hive tool, the one I normally use, has like a little hook on it. Easier.
Oh, there's one on your.
So stuck. Oh, here we go.
I'm crazy.
Just so they're gonna get crazy because I cannot get this out. So
Don't pass out.
the bottom, all this one's going over. The bottom of this frame is stuck to the frame in the this box. So they're building their way up, and that's why I'm having such. I got.
Oh, where?
on my finger.
Oh, I see one on your finger. Holy
See?
cow.
Oh, look! So see these little, that's why, look at,
That's a baby!
there's a baby. Here, show Scarlett.
Are they gonna like get mad at me?
No, here. Let's turn, oh yeah. So these are all gonna be drone bees. They're making drone bees. Bring it
I
closer.
need help finding the baby.
I'll help you. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Show her that, and then we'll scrape these ones out. There's a ton.
There is a
This
baby
is why it
bee.
was so hard to open.
There
I'm
is a
gonna need like a plate or something.
So cool. Okay, get it away from me now. Ow! They're gonna eat me.
Nice.
Once it's stuck to me. There's...
Like that. That's.
Where is? Oh, there's a baby. There's a baby.
Yeah. Wait till you look inside the hive, Knox. It's crazy. Look at these are all gonna be drones. But see how?
There's one in my face. There's one by my ear.
Look at baby larva.
Oh, is it alive?
Yeah.
That's a
Hello,
larva.
little boy. Little chunky man. I have a little puff pastry here.
Knox, come here. You gotta see this. Look.
Are they gonna like kill me because I have it?
Can you see all the larvae in there? Yes.
Uh,
I was trying to get.
he's taking a shit on me.
So there's a bunch of larvae in there.
Got some goopy. There's a bee on my.
Isn't that crazy? I know. Okay, let's go finish that. We'll do one more.
Pretty sure this is a stinger.
See, that's the stinger.
Yeah?
Oh, that's the end of her life. Yeah.
It wasn't one. Got some puff pastries here.
Here, give me the
Super
the
cute.
stories here, and I gotta get some work done with her.
I put it.
Thank you. Good job.
Goodbye.
All right.
Say bye.